watching po, excited na. Okay, guys, mga ka-gold expert or mga kapatid na tatawagin ko, magkakaroon lang po tayo ng konting pagbabago regarding sa encashment natin or sa schedule ng encashment natin. Thank you, Sir Shenica Gomez Monroe. Okay, ulitin ko po, magkakaroon lang po tayo ng konting pagbabago regarding sa schedule ng encashment natin. Kung nitong mga nakakaraan po ay ang schedule ng encashment natin ay daily, pinag-aralan ko po na mabuti para sa ikabubuti ng company natin at sa ikabubuti rin po ng mga investment nyo. Gagawin po nating weekly encashment. Okay, hintay ako ng comment para sa magtatanong kung bakit. Hello guys, any reaction? Okay, nagtanong si Ma'am Serena Aguilar. Bakit daw po babaguhin natin yung schedule ng ating encashment? Para po sa akin itong company na to ay binild ko po for long term. Para po magsama-sama pa tayo ng matagal kasi hindi rin naman po mawawala yung yung pera po na ina-earn nyo dito kay Gold Expert. Makikita nyo pa rin po yung sa dashboard nyo. Bali, ang mababago lang po is yung encashment natin. Bakit? Yung investment nyo po, matatrade pa po natin mapapaikot pa po natin na makakatulong kay company para mas mapatatag pa po itong Gold Expert. Sang-ayon po ba kayo dun? Wala sumasagot. Sang-ayon po ba kayo or talagang late lang yung dating ng mga comments sa akin? Okay, Sir Fred, kagaya nga po ng sinabi ko, hindi naman po mawawala yung ina-earn nyo dito kay Gold Expert. Ang nabago lang po is yung schedule ng encashment natin na magiging weekly. I-withdraw nyo po ito ng Friday, it will be released on Sunday. Sa totoo lang po, to be honest, sa Forex world po talaga, hindi po talaga nag-e-encash or hindi po nakakapag-withdraw daily. Okay, again, we're back. Nabablock ulit. Comment po kung visible pa rin po ako. Yes, Sir Jed. Bilang CEO nyo po, gusto ko rin po yung kung ano yung makakabuti sa company natin para po sa inyo. Gusto ko po yung magsasama-sama tayo na matagal. Hindi yung short term lang, kumita lang ng konti, sarado na. Hindi po ganun. Yung investment na mag-start bukas ay gawin weekly. Ma'am Ami Azagra, yung tanong mo po, suggestion ko po, yung investment na mag-start bukas ay gawing weekly. But yung mga nailapag na until today ay gawing daily pa rin. Ma'am Ami Azagra, sad to say, effective po itong new schedule of encashment natin. Effective po ito by tomorrow. Okay, Monday. Hello, Sir Rene Gozago. First time ako dito. Hello po. Yes, Ma'am Ami Azagra. Ganon din naman po, wala pong mababago, Ma'am. Yan, nakakat po yung live natin. Yes, tama ka, Sir Lorenzo Garcia. Ma'am Stacy Azul. Tama naman yan, sir. Doon nga sa isa kong sinalihan, monthly ang payout. At guys, ang kagandahan pa dito, binabaan natin yung minimum na pwede nyo i-encash. Nung nakakaraan, 500. minimum of encashment. Ngayon, ibinaba natin ng 300 pesos minimum of encashment.
Hi there! Wanna know the reason why gold is the most valuable investment nowadays? In this video, I will share to you 3 importance of investing and why lots of people, especially entrepreneurs, chose to invest in gold. The number 1 reason why people consider gold as their number 1 asset is that gold is money. Gold is not used as a currency today, but its role as money makes it superior to any currency. Second, gold investment cannot go bankrupt. Gold won't go to zero and will always have value. You can always sell it if you need currency. And lastly, gold is highly liquid. This liquidity means you can take gold with you literally anywhere in the world. Gold is very ideal because it is easy to sell and can be carried in your pocket anywhere you go. And it also serves as an emergency fund. There are too many reasons why investing in gold is worth considering. The same reason why me, Alvin Salazar, wants it to be one of our best successful here in Gold Expert.